YBS boardies are online right now, youngbloods.co. I love them, been working on them for over a year now. They're made out of recycled bottles, they're stretchy. Oh! And best of all, guys, they're strider proof. Oh! Go check them out if you guys want to. I'm so stoked with them. Thank you guys so much.
Mobbing with my brothers, there's no question, keep it real. Whether we is coasting or we in the hidden hills. In the popping straps of blue faces, not the pills. Heard you calling bluffs, I show and prove it is for real. Son of God, not a son of sand. Keep it off the books and keep it coming in. Bitch, the old whip, see what I'm coming in. The inside caramel just like 100 grand. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for real, down for life. Keep it super thug my way on this side. Keep it super thug my way on this side.
I don't know how to feel. Oh, fast. Thanks so much, man. Oh my god.
Oh, no worries, bro. G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. Semi, Jacko, Strider, and myself, we dropped the jet boat in. It's been a busy week, but before I get into that, today we're gonna surprise our good friend D-Man. He always talks about this camera, his dream camera that he wanted. It's $6,000, it's not released yet. We still got a month to wait because it's brand new. But I've got this here, what is it? Oh no. But I've got this right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide it in the angle or something like that and surprise D-Man. If you guys don't know D-Man, he's a tattoo artist. He runs the tattoo shop in town here. He works his ass off, and in his spare time, he always helps me out. Never asks for anything, never wants anything in return, but today we're gonna surprise him, and he loves filming, he loves cameras, and he's been wanting this for a long time. I've been crook all week. I've been spewing and my gut's been wrecked. It's from that bait fish I reckon that I ate. I started off the week by watering my emus, and then I hung out with neighbour Vicky, taught her how to drive, and then me and Jackson dropped the skis in, and it was the most beautiful afternoon, dead glass off. I'll roll on all those clips right now where we hang out and make our plan up before we pick D-Man up at the boat ramp. Freeze, sucker. Ew. Oh, we got another one coming. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's getting. Put it on. It suits you. Victoria! Do you want to drive?
No.
Yes, it's time to teach Victoria how to drive the buggy. Strider, we're gonna die. Sick! Oh, it's a beast. The next week or so I'll probably go through all the entries into the competition to clean up the beach. I don't know how many winners I'm going to pick or split the money or put more money in or whatever. I'm just sort of winging it, but man, there's been so many entries, so thank you guys so much for that. It's just a good way to raise awareness, clean up our beaches and all that sort of stuff. We're just going to keep cruising along the beach, and the sun's on its way down. Beautiful afternoon. Yay! That's it.
Stop it.
Yeah,
Are you out there?
I'm just about to hop in, it's so nice.
Oh, that was deep. You get going up. It's so bloody clear right now, eh? Like, just oh, it's so glassy, man. Did you get anything? Have you got anything?
Yeah, just a little trout.
Little trouty. Dinner trout. Strider! Dad bod's diving down. It is literally 0.8 of a meter right now. Oh, there's a big! Whoa, there's shit going on everywhere. We gotta get in there and see what's going on in the action. The dad bod's wrestling a blue bone. Well done, that's gonna be dinner. Yes! Enjoy your afternoon. There he goes. Oops. No. Oh, it is! Oh, it's huge! Jacko! See that? That is massive! Oh, I didn't have that. Mine not that big. Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! Strident's bigger than you! Oh, God. Look at the size of it! Whoa! God. Lucky I put that. Whoa! He might bite the leader off. Oh, no. Grab it. Just jump the reel. Oh, it snapped. Swim off. The last of his days, old. See a big fella. Wonder what he's seen in his lifetime. There, Strider. Wow. It's a baby hammerhead. Oh, it's so cute. Whales and dolphins playing. That's the first time in my life I've ever actually seen a whale and a dolphin communicate on that level where they were actually playing with each other, unless the dolphins were annoying the whale, but they just interacted so crazily. You see that whale was just spinning beautifully and the dolphins were just like, what up, man? It was, oh, that was insane, man. That was insanely beautiful. Sometimes some fresh air and a beautiful afternoon is all the doctor ordered, right? You can hear, I don't know if you guys can hear the goat. Almost fell in the water. This is the first time we've taken the jet boat out since the Genesis boys dropped it off, so we're just going to cruise. We're hoping the wind's going to back off. We've got the surf board to go for a surf behind the jet boat. We've never done anything like that before, so we're excited about that. And just a cruise, and the main thing is just obviously giving D-Man his camera or telling him about the news. So what we're going to do, we've still got like an hour or 2 hours before D-Man knocks off work and we pick him up. So we're just going to cruise, maybe look for a fish. We just taught Sam quickly how to drive it, so Sam's captain now.
Yeah, we can.
we're all in trouble right now.
I like how you've just gone full horizon. Straight away, full horizon.
So strange, we've never seen a whale in this close to the shore. It must be in a couple meters of water, if that. We just seen its tail just going off, so. Oh my God. Oh, oi. What? That, oi, go after him. He went through that, whatever that was. It's wrapped around him. This is bullshit. That's why you don't have shit like that in the ocean. Drop me in on him with a knife. I might be able to try and undo it. There's no way we'd normally swim over to a whale or anything like that. You're not actually allowed to, but he's now stopped and doing weird stuff. So getting in there, don't recommend doing this at all. Fortunately for trying for like half an hour, 45, we've lost him. He's gone. We don't know if the rope's still on there or not, but we tried our best. So a crab pot got wrapped around that whale just then. Someone who put a crab pot out here. I guess for us, we never use any form of nets or anything like that, especially out in the ocean. So that's all we can encourage, is not putting crab pots where whales swim past. Is the... Come on, Sammy. Yes! Oh, come on, yes! Keep going! Oh, come on! What Lewis do we have? Oh! Sammy! Yes! Sammy! Oh! Was it a good luck? Yeah. Look at him. It's singing. Oh, no. Boy. Oh! Woo! Oh, drop the dog.
Look how it was.
Oh,
Damn it.
oh, did he have to walk the plank?
That's just got one of his drinks after.
Tell me you got that. Jackson missed it on the GoPro. Yes!
Oh, that was a horse. Sam has stood himself.
Yeah, nice, Sam, you're on your own.
Alright. Alright, here we go.
Sam, you got this.
There we go.
You got it.
Got him.
Oh,
Oh.
yes. Oh, it's only just on there.
It's only.
Yeah, get
Yay.
it. Drink. Go. You just drop it.
Oh.
Ah!
Yo, dog.
Hey, Sugar, what's going on?
Not much. Just finishing up.
Oh, do you want to quickly come out for a beer and whatnot out on the boat?
Right, go on then.
Go on then. All right, sick. Well,
Your dog.
Oh, I thought he wasn't gonna bite then. Hey, he was on the fence.
It was a vodka
That's why.
soda.
That's why you're here.
It was a
You're a
vodka
sweet
soda.
talker. No, I can. None of the boys can say no to Sam. It's impossible. Oh, bust up. Wait, D-Man, do the honours of getting a beer out of Jacko's bar.
Yeah.
Come on, mate.
Yeah. Don't have to ask me twice.
No,
Where's it?
other side.
Other side.
Oh, I haven't been on here yet.
No, I haven't done that.
There's my fridge.
Oh, there's the fridge. Whoa. Oh, what?
What is that?
What the hell?
You know that camera you wanted?
Yeah.
I bought it for you.
You're kidding.
Yeah, I
Are you
did.
serious?
No, I did. You've helped me heaps behind the scenes and want to see you get that juicy footage.
Oh my god, I'm like, I was going to say, far out, that's crazy.
Yeah, that was what we wanted you to come out in the boat the whole day
Are you
for.
serious?
Yeah, we waited for you. We waited and waited. And
Oh,
finally,
I don't even know how to feel. Oh, fast. Thanks so much, man. Oh my god.
oh, no worries, bro. My pleasure.
Far out.
Thanks for all the help.
No idea. No idea. Even when I seen that there, I was like, is that my birthday?
Hang on a minute. Oh, yeah, I mean.
Far out. Thanks, bro.
No worries,
Thank you
man.
so much.
Oh, let's drink some beers. Jacko Bar is officially open for business, baby.
Come here, mate.
Far out. I feel like all
getting
kinds of warm and fuzzy right now. Far out. I'm in shock, eh? I feel like shock.
We had a GoPro in here as well.
Yeah,
Oh, geez,
I
right.
still feel like shock, eh? Ah, thank you.
No, it would.
This is yours, man.
I don't know how I almost cried.
Yeah. It was a bit tear-jerking there, wasn't it? Is that everyone?
Oh, I still feel.
Take
I
it
feel
in.
like it's just sinking in now.
Ew. There's the D-Man.
Ever.
It's not even his birthday. Oh, drop that song now.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the
That's it for another episode, guys. We finally come through with the goods. D-Man had no idea. For a bit there, he wasn't even going to come.
I was like, when you were like, oh, come out because you shot that coral trout, we're going to eat it. I was like, I can't remember shooting coral trout. Like, it must have been in the freezer for a while.
We did it. And I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Pew!